Hi guys, and welcome back. For those who are new, my name is Craig Rayner and this is a tutorial all about how to take anything out of any image that you have taken within Photoshop, and we're going to do this within 60 seconds. So let's get over to the computer, start the stopwatch, and let's have a look at how we do it. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is we are going to go over to the left hand side, click on the lasso tool and make sure we're on the polygonal lasso tool. The shortcut is L, and we are going to zoom in to the image in the area in which we want to remove, which unfortunately is these three lovely ladies taking a selfie outside Tenby's lifeboat house. And what we're going to do is just go around them as you can see. Don't be too worried about not being over neat with it, because when we do content aware you'll see the results that Adobe do. So once you've done that, right click, go on to fill. We're going to make sure that this says content aware there, click OK, and then you can see that it's now done the best job it can do. You can see a little bit over there, and we can solve that by just using our heel brush and then just tidying it up a little bit. But when we zoom out, you can now see that there is no one in that area. And now this is the final image of what we came up with as well. It's also been gone through Lightroom and put one of my presets on as well, so take a look. Okay guys, that is it from me. It is a very quick tutorial on how to take anything out of all of your images that you're doing. Hope you got something from it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell icon to be notified on further updates on tutorials and videos that we are going to be releasing over the next couple of weeks and months. And I'll see you next time.